Well, FedEx did it again. I ordered a new light to replace the broken one in my van. I did sign up for updates and notifications. I have not got a single update or notification. I went to eBay. It said it's still out for delivery. So I took the tracking number, went to FedEx, and they said delivered right front left door or something like that. Around the front, right where it says do not deliver. So let's see if my package is even here. I really wish FedEx would get their stuff together. I will be so mad if it's not here, because this will be, look at that, laying right in the front. I can't believe this. Look at this, right under the sign. Right there. Right under the sign. I mean, literally. I keep getting my stuff stolen because FedEx keeps leaving the stuff out here. Usually they'll leave it under this sign, somewhere right down in here, or even out here, right under the sign. Can you believe that? Oh man, I wish FedEx would just fire every one of them. But I can't believe they did it again. This is the reason my stuff keeps getting stolen, because FedEx is honestly too lazy. Most of their drivers are too damn lazy to do their damn jobs. And I've contacted FedEx numerous times, and absolutely nothing. They've done nothing. So, I mean, this is ridiculous. A brand new taillight for my van to replace that one. Left out front to be stolen. Alright, that's it. Bye.